All right, guys, this is it. This is a make money online business that's about to blow up, and you definitely don't want to miss out on this because it could make you some money. Now, you guys have been blowing up the comment section on my videos. You've been blowing up my emails asking me, Franklin, what's the best method to make money online? Franklin, what's the next best trend? And what do you think I should be doing right now to make money online? So what I did is I went out and asked some of the boys and I said, what's working for you right now? Because I know what's working for me, but what's working for other people? And Google Trends seems to confirm it. So I asked one of my mates what he's doing, and he told me what he was doing. But more importantly, I said to him, how much have you made from this so far? And he told me he's made $15,000. And he's only been doing this for a few months, and he's just been dabbling in it. So not too bad for someone that's just trying out this method. Now, if you guys know me from back in 2015, you know there was a method called the Franklin Hatchet method. I never named it this, but it was drop shipping. Back in 2015, it took off after people started talking about it, and I started talking about it, and now people are making millions of dollars with drop shipping. But the ones that made a huge amount of money are the ones that got in early on the trend, and it's about to happen right now with this method. If you look at the drop shipping Google trend charts, you'll see that it exploded, and people are still making good money from it now. If we look at this new method, it's exploded and then it's dropped off, but it's about to explode again, and you really don't want to miss this one. So in this video, I'm going to take you through and show you exactly what this is so you can see if this is the right method for you to make money online. So make sure you smash that like button on this video because this is going to be a banger. In my opinion, this is going to be a huge method, especially next year, because you can make big money with one-off payments. It's not something where you make little bits of money here and there. You can make big money from one-off payment. The guy that I showed you before that's made $15,000, he's selling things like $2,000, $3,000, and he's making a good profit. So let's get started. But first, before we do that, for you guys that are subscribed to me, you know that we're doing a giveaway right now. We picked 3 winners this time, not just one. So they're up on the screen and they will be contacted. If you want to get into this, all you got to do is find the emoji in the video, comment below emoji plus cash or emoji plus course, and you can be chosen in the next video. So let's get into this video and I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money online with this upcoming trend that's about to explode. So what is this method and how does it actually work? Now this method is quite cool, it's quite unique. And what we're going to be doing in this particular training, now don't worry, you're not going to have to go and pay money to create a store or anything like that. But what we're doing is we're actually going to go out, and what we do is we basically find people to purchase services from us that we don't kind of actually own or do. So for example, someone might come to our store that we're going to create for free, and they might say, hey, we want to purchase basically a video editing service. And then what we would do is we would go and pay someone else to do the video editing service for us, called a supplier, and then they will send it back to us, and then we send it to the customer, and we keep what's in between. So we keep the profit. It's like drop shipping, but you're basically doing it with digital products and services instead of physical products. And this is about to blow up in my opinion. It's kind of been big in the past and stuff, but it dropped off. And now I think it's going to be huge because there's a lot of talk about it in the industry. And I personally know people who are making very good money with this. But more importantly, how do you get started? What's the best way to do this? I'm going to show you 2 services that you should be doing to make big bucks. Okay, you want to be making big money. You don't want to make small money with this. Now, this is actually so you need to go and create a kind of like a website. I'll show you how to do that for free. But this is the one that my friend showed me that he made the $15,000. So essentially what he does, we'll just go to the bottom where the prices are. He sells services. So he sells video editing services for a price, and it's big money. For a 120-second video, he charges $3,000, and yes, people do pay this. For 300 seconds, nearly $10,000. On this one here, $11,000. On this one here, $16,000 and $17,000 and $10,000. There is big money in this because you can find people to do the job for a lot less to make money online, okay? So essentially what he's doing is he's selling a service and then he's gonna find somebody else to fulfill that service for him. Now, the first step you wanna do is you actually want to go to sites.google and you wanna create a free website. This is a free website or a free storefront where you can actually promote these products, okay? For example. So I'm gonna click on project here, which is a little site that I kind of started playing around with. Now, in my opinion, there's a few things that I would recommend you do. Video editing is one of the best services, and then actually social media marketing is one of the other ones, which we're going to talk about in a second. But essentially what you do with Google stores, I'm not going to actually show you how to fully create a website because that's not what this is about. But what you can essentially do is you can basically make a web page for free and you can send people to it. So I could put this here, Frank's video editing service, right? And then I can go and put whatever I want. I can go and basically put text boxes, images, embed videos. I can do different layouts. I could actually drag this layout in here and I could put an image of my service, right? So let's say video editing service like this guy has here. Okay, so video editing service. And then I could actually go video package 1. And then I can just put in some information about my service. You can literally go and create a free website or a free funnel just like this guy has here. Very simple to do. Now, how do you actually take payments? You can actually use PayPal and you can get a PayPal button for free on your website. So they actually have a full tutorial on how to do that. Just go into Google and go how to add a PayPal button to your website. And that's how this guy gets paid, by PayPal. So he's added in a button. It's simple as that. And you go and add it onto your free website that you create in sites.google.com. And then once you have a site ready, so let me just publish this for an example. Website address, I'll put Frank, and I'm going to publish this website. And this is my custom URL that I'm going to send traffic to and people to. And here is the website, and we actually spelled video wrong, but you get the point. You're going to go and create a page to promote to people. And what we're doing is we are going to be promoting services. Now, this isn't going to cost us money because we're going to be using other people's money, the people that actually buy the service. So what you can actually do is, let's say someone buys a, let's just get my pen up here. Let's just say someone buys a video editing service off us for $1,000, okay? You made a sale for $1,000. What you can then do is you can actually go to somewhere like Fiverr.com and you can put in video editing services and you could pay someone $80 or $600 to edit the video for you instead. So let's say 650 and 20, or let's just say we pay $600, right? So let's say we get a really good service and someone gives us $1,000 and we pay $600 to get the video edited. That leaves us with $400 profit, okay? This is profit. We get to actually keep this money. This is what this make money online method is. It's like drop shipping, but it's an e-service business where you're actually basically drop shipping digital products and services. It's an extremely good way to make money online. But how do you actually get the traffic? So I'm going to show you two. So I'll show you the first traffic method, right? And then I'll actually show you the second method and the second way that I think you should make money with this. Now, keep in mind that I've picked the two best that make the best money, okay? The people that I know that are doing good with this and making really good money, these are the two methods that they're doing, the video editing ones, and I'll tell you the other one in a second. So for example, for video editing, what I would do is I would go to YouTube and I would look for gamers. But I would look for gamers that are kind of up and coming because they probably don't have a video editor yet. If you go for the big gamers, they have video editors. They need video editors because they pump out so much content. They're constantly playing, so they need people to edit the content for them. So scroll down and find people that are kind of like up and coming. They don't have a lot of subscribers, but they're going hard with content. And all you want to do is go to the About page and you want to simply go to verify email address and just submit. I'm not going to do this because his email will pop up, but his email will pop up for you and you can contact him and say, hey, are you interested in getting your videos edited by me? I can get it done for you, no problem. Here's my page. And you basically send him to that page that you created, right? And obviously, some people will not get back to you because they already have editors or maybe they're not interested. But if you do this enough, someone will eventually get back to you and have you as a video editor, okay? It's a really cool method to do. Now, what's a second way that you can actually make big money from this is you can actually go into Google, for example, and you can go and find businesses that are just local businesses, right? So for example, dentist is a good one. So I opened up this dental clinic, and you can actually contact these people and you can say, hey, are you interested in getting us to run advertising for you? And then you can actually create a page based on advertising, and all that sort of stuff, like a landing page or a free website. Then you can actually go to a website called upwork.com and you can put in like Facebook ads or Google ads. And you can find people who will do the advertising for you. So for example, this person will do Facebook and Instagram advertising for $30 an hour. Well, you just charge this dental clinic or somebody or whoever this is $40 an hour or $35 an hour, and you make $5 per hour. Or you basically charge them a monthly fee, and then you just get this guy to run ads for however long until you're making the profit. Now, guys, I do believe that this is going to be one of the biggest methods in at least 2021. It's starting to trend up again now, and I do know a lot of people doing this business. It's literally one of the best businesses because you don't need your own product or service or anything. You literally go and start your own store, you promote a service to somebody for a big markup, and then you go and outsource that service to somebody else, and you clip the ticket and you keep the profit. What I've actually done is I've got a free article that you can see below, what is drop servicing, the ultimate guide, on our website, where we take you through step by step how you can do it for free. This is free of charge. We're not charging you anything for this. I don't have a course on drop servicing or anything like that to promote to you. I'm just showing you value and one of the biggest trends that I believe is about to happen in 2021. All right, guys, so that is one of the best methods that's about to be blowing up. And what I want to do is put some more videos up on the screen that shows you other methods if you're interested in them, in case you're not interested in this method. But I do understand that a lot of people might not be interested in this one. These are completely free tutorials that take you through step by step on how to make money online. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, tap that notification bell, smash that like button, and I'll see you on the next video.